Hey everybody, what's up? I got the Insta360 ONE and today I'm gonna show you what you can do with it and what I think about 360 in general. First of all, I got the Insta360 ONE together with some accessories like a tripod, an underwater housing and a kind of selfie stick just a few weeks ago. I used it in different kind of situations and it's really easy and fun to use. Honestly, I never thought about using 360 cameras at all because I couldn't see any scope of application to it. But after using it several of times in different kind of situations, I basically found three things I would use it for. Action or sport related footage, because the camera has an awesome stabilization and you are able to change the view later in post-production. Behind the scenes footage, especially if you are alone. Just put the camera somewhere and change the perspective later. And of course, the little planet effect. I love this perspective. Mixed with normal camera footage or used as a transition, it looks very cool. The Insta360 ONE can be used as a standalone camera or as an attachment to your iPhone. If you plug in the cam into your iPhone, you have to use it upside down because it uses the lightning port. I also have to get my phone out of its case to plug in the cam. Then you are able to control the cam with the Insta360 app on your phone, access to the microSD card to check the footage and also edit it right on your phone. It's very easy and intuitive. If you use the Insta360 ONE as a standalone camera, like I do it most of the time, it is also very easy to use. There's basically one button with a range of different functions. If you hold the button a few seconds, you turn on or off the camera. If you press it once, you take a 360 photo. Press it twice to start a 360 video and press it 3 times to start a bullet time, aka slow motion video. The slow motion video is a very cool looking effect. You can create crazy angles and feel like Neo in the Matrix. The only disadvantage, it is only 720p. On the official website you can download the Insta360 Studio desktop app for free and edit all your footage. If you are already familiar with video editing tools like Adobe Premiere, it is very intuitive. You can change the angles with the mouse or choose from different views, set keyframes and smooth the transitions. Then you click export and you have a standard 16:9 video which you can import straight into your video editing software. To create 360 footage, the camera uses two 180-degree cameras. The software is able to stitch the two camera angles together and generate one 360 image. Most of the time it works very good and the software also removes the selfie stick. Honestly, this is very sick. The only issue I had so far was underwater. I think there wasn't enough structure in the background to stitch the footage proper together. I also found out that you should hold the camera in one position and don't turn it around. It just drives you crazy in post-production. All in all, the Insta360 ONE is a very cool and fun to use camera. But honestly, it is more like a creative toy you can use to add some special footage to your vlog or production. Right now, I can't really imagine to look at 360 only video for minutes. It will get me bored pretty fast because there are no cuts and nothing where my attention gets focused on. But there are also a lot of different opportunities you can work with 360 footage and we will see what comes next. I think the Insta360 ONE is the perfect camera to get into the basics of 360. And you should try it, especially if you do a lot of action sports or you're a tech nerd like me. Bye.